Ice Marine presents the bearing, OEM part number 396041/0396041, a high-performance replacement part engineered for OMC Johnson and Evinrude outboard engines ranging from 120, 125, 130, 135, 140, 200, 225, 250, 275, up to 300 horsepower. It also cross-references with Sierra 18-1360, GLM 22850, and Mallory 9-51104, ensuring wide compatibility and dependable fitment. Crafted for durability and smooth operation, this bearing helps maintain optimal engine performance even under demanding marine conditions. ICE Marine, based in Taiwan, is a trusted exporter and manufacturer of outboard parts, boat accessories, and marine hardware. For more information, visit www.iceboatparts.com or contact us at seller@icemarine.cc or WhatsApp +88 6966468632.